My name is Drew Benson. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. Please, and share. Share it all my friends. In Carolina life, it's gonna be. This is my very first weather. Very good thing. It's gonna be good. So. Thanks for watching. It's 10. It's almost 10:50. I think I'm probably gonna finish up here soon, and yeah, it's gonna be very chaotic. Tomorrow the storms are gonna be a little bit severe. Possible spotty gusty winds we would see. I'm so excited about weather. So I really like it. It almost gave me the shivers. I think it's by the thunder. It's not by the lightning. And sorry, I'm getting a little bit tired. I think I might hit you back just a little bit. So you might hear the thunder on the front window. Whoa. That was a pretty bright flash. Let me look over here. Can you see me? Yeah. Yeah, and you can see me. Only that one is a little bit illuminated. Wait, let me get like a perfect angle. There we go. Wait, like right here? Yeah. The lightning is so cool. Let me look. So cool. The lightning is very. It's pushing. Hang on. So cool. And yeah, it's been very much. Sorry, I kind of bit my teeth just a little bit. And I hope my brothers and sisters. I hope my brothers and sisters. Sorry, I can't talk. I hope my brothers and sister might like this. Whoa. And my mom and dad might like this, and my RMs, and the staff, and the students will be none other about that. It's gonna be a little bit crazy. Alright, the lightning is getting a little bit increasing, just a little bit. Yeah, it's getting a little increasing. I checked on the weather radar. It's gonna be a little bit like a band straight over, and am I even looking? Yeah, I am. So it's almost 11. I think I might hit you back or something like that. I don't know. I think I might keep recording. We're like in a severe thunderstorm warning. It feels like a severe thunderstorm warning. It's not like as severe. And yeah, it's gonna be a little bit wet. And the storm is gonna be a little bit severe. My hair is standing up very frequently. And you might see the lightning right behind me, right along here. I don't think I need to figure out a way. Hang on, let me... Is that right? Yeah. It is. It's pretty good. And I hope... WIS News 10 might see this. It's pretty emotional. And the sky is looking a little bit darker. The wind is a little picked up, and the rain is very little bit heavy. Stay safe. It's gonna be a little bit severe, but it's really good. So October is just around the corner. Be watchful of that. It's gonna be very insane. Like, hang on, let's see, the state fair. Fall break, homecoming week, Halloween, Columbus Day. Yeah. I think I might find some more about it. Alright, we're getting inside the top 3 mega months, which is October, November, and December. And the top 4 mega holidays are Halloween, Thanksgiving, Christmas, and New Year's. And I think I might return home sooner or later. Like it or not. I'm trying to figure out probably right around fall break. Yeah. Well, right around fall break and Thanksgiving break and Christmas break. Sorry. Cut that just a little bit. Yeah. So, good night. I will see you in the morning. I think I might not record early in the morning. Just a little bit. So, peace. Oh, by the way, Hope's birthday will be coming up very soon. Be watchful of that. And peace.